Techline Coating's PowerKote Engine Kit. Reduce operating temperature, friction and wear, and increase performance. Each kit includes CBC1, DFL1, Pksx, and our UGT. PowerKote CBC1 Thermal Barrier is a water-based thermal barrier coating that provides a hard, durable surface on any component. Formulated to be used in any engine running compression ratios of less than 12.5 to 1. Excellent for combustion chambers, piston tops, valve faces, and cylinder heads. CBC1 manages thermal transfer, reducing part temperature and helping to reduce or eliminate detonation. Results include increased fuel efficiency, power, and torque. Our PowerKote DFL1 dry film lubricant is used on piston side skirts, rods, main bearings, and any part subject to sliding or rotational friction. A unique water-based binding system reduces friction even under extreme pressure. This coating does not affect clearance. Our UGT is an extreme pressure assembly lubricant that protects bearings, cams, cranks, valve stems, push rod ends, lifters, gears, and more. Used by many race teams, it is suitable for any 2-stroke, 4-stroke, rotary, top fuel, alcohol, supercharged, and turbocharged applications. Our PowerKote Pksx dry film lubricant is an extreme pressure and temperature lubricant designed for cylinder walls, lifter bores, and valve guides. It can carry extreme loads and reduces friction, wear, and improves ring, seal, and leak down. Bonds at approximately 25 millionth of an inch, so it does not impact clearance. Our PowerKote engine kits are available to professionals as well as DIY applicators. You may visit our website or reach out to our sales team for more information.